Hey everyone, my name is Andy, I'm a freelance filmmaker, and today I've been asked by Wex Photo Video to do a quick hands-on with the new OLED SmallHD FOCUS. Let's take a look. Spec-wise, the OLED Focus has grown. It's now a 5.5-inch screen and has a resolution of 1920 by 1080. As opposed to the 725-inch screen that's on the previous models. At 350 nits, it's not as bright as the other Focuses. The OLED is impressive, but it's still not quite as bright as the other monitors. Custom LUTs, waveforms, false colour, magnification all make a return, all to make this one seriously impressive package. First impressions of this thing, it's really well built, really solid, just like the rest of the Focus line. There's no flex in the plastic at all, it really is just a solid unit. To see how the nice new OLED screen performs, I went over to Wimbledon Art Studios to go and meet my friend Sophie T. After visiting Sophie for a good hour or two, it's abundantly clear. This is a fantastic monitor. The resolution bump makes a significant difference, as everything looked tack sharp and beautifully rendered. I loaded in a standard 709 LUT into the monitor and the colours just popped off the screen. It actually made my filming experience more enjoyable. It's light and adaptable enough not to be a hindrance while filming. Okay, so I've just got back from the art studio and luckily the clouds cleared up and managed to get some nice bright sunshine, so I went out and tested to see how this thing fared in sunlight as well. In the 20 minutes that I had outside of this, thanks to the beautiful British weather, I actually managed to get at least some footage with this mounted on a gimbal. Now, it was perfectly fine for outdoor use. Its 350 nit panel isn't as bright as the 800 nit you'll see on the other Focuses, but it's still, I think, very usable outside. It may struggle in direct sunlight, but the contrasting colours on this will definitely help in many other shooting environments. Overall, I absolutely love the screen. It's such a pleasure to work with. The colours just pop out of the display thanks to that OLED panel. It's bright enough to use outside. I love the fact that you can still swing it around on the included arm and get a nicer look of how you're doing when you're vlogging. The ability to put your own LUTs on there is still a very welcome feature. It's nice to have log recorded in camera and have a decent monitoring solution. And when you're actually filming, it just makes it easier for you, it makes it easier for your client, and yeah, it's just a great overall monitor to use. One last quick thing before I go, I really want to thank Wex for sending me the monitor. It's been an absolute pleasure to use, and I cannot wait to get my hands on one again. If you guys want any more information about the monitor, you can head on over to wex.co.uk where you can check out the blog. For everything else, thanks for watching, and happy shooting.